I think 30-something institutions, especially schools and colleges participating in this event today. And those are the institutions that did the best. We want to say congratulations. Tuwapigie makofi jameni. And I am asking the Ministry of Education, as a show of gratitude and an appreciation of your commitment, hard work, and talent, the Ministry of Education will provide 5 million shillings for every institution and every school that has participated here, so that you can improve on some of the infrastructure that will support these creatives going into the future. So Bwana Waziri na timu yako, pangana na hawa watu ili mashule, colleges ambazo wameperform hapa leo, kila shule tuwapatie 5 milioni waweze kushughulika na kujenga foundation ambaye itafanya music and the creative space to improve.